Since its foundation in 1984, Korea Jig and Fixture has been contributing greatly to Korean aerospace, defense, automotive, and general mechanical industry development. It is creating a next-generation growth engine through localization of major technologies and development of new products based on accumulated know-how, precision machining technologies, and systematized quality system. Korea Jig and Fixture has been developing numerous cutting-edge products and technologies in accordance with customers' needs, thanks to its design, manufacture, and quality capabilities. These capabilities are recognized from various organizations and have been contributing to related industry development directly and even indirectly. The aerospace industry, combining state-of-the-art technologies with industry capability and having a great ripple effect to the other industries, is emerging as a growth engine affecting national competitiveness, thanks to highly added value and effect on production inducement. Starting the aerospace tooling business at the beginning of the Korean aerospace industry, Korea Jig and Fixture has delivered P-3C maritime patrol wing assembly toolings, NARO satellite launch vehicle supporting toolings, T-50 full-scale ground vibration test fixtures, A350 cargo door assembly line, and A320 sharklet moving line, as well as aerospace machined parts for fuselage, wings, and doors of commercial and military aircraft. Korea Jig and Fixture Defense Division is continuously supporting future weapons systems development and has been strengthening its robust relationship with customers by supporting on-time force integration of ground defense systems. Korea Jig and Fixture developed numerous parts for Korean main battle tank, the K1A1 and the K1, and developed and produces key components of next-generation world-class main battle tank, the K2. Additionally, it has been developing key major structures of Chunggung multifunction radar detecting threats at medium altitudes. The Work Holding Division has played a key role for Korea Jig and Fixture to leap to its current position. Since 1984, Korea Jig and Fixture has developed various types of products, including toggles, hydraulic and pneumatic clamps with its own brand name. As a market leader in Korea, Korea Jig and Fixture expands its sales network all over the world thanks to its reputation in automotive, aerospace, and general mechanical industries. Not only high quality and competitive prices, but also trust with customers helps to grow its market share in the world. Today, Korea Jig and Fixture makes its best efforts for the current and potential customers. Korea Jig and Fixture is not satisfied with its present position. Based on its infinite potential and the trust of customers accumulated from high quality, competitive costs, and on-time delivery, Korea Jig and Fixture is making dreams come true.